Kakwenza Rukirabashaija's troubles started with media posts. In his last one on 28th December 2021, he tweeted about gunmen breaking into his house by force. For days, his whereabouts have been unknown until this morning when he was charged in court and remanded to Kitalya prison. Last week, a magistrate's court ordered the unconditional release of the writer. On Monday, the High Court had issued an order for security forces to produce Kakwenza in court by Wednesday, following an application by his lawyer Aaron Chiza. With just hours to the deadline, Kakwenza appeared before Buganda Road Court Magistrate Douglas Sinjiza, where it is alleged that he used abusive language against the President and Lieutenant General Rugaba between 24th and 28th December 2021. The Judiciary spokesperson confirmed Kakwenza's appearance in court.
The charges are offensive communication, which is contrary to Section 25 of the Computer Misuse Act of 2011. And there are two offenses there. So after he has read the charges, the suspect pleaded not guilty.
According to Karemani, although Kakwenza did not have legal representation, the judicial officer gave him an option to apply for bail.
And he said he had not communicated to his lawyers and therefore he was not applying for bail at that time.
The person was brought early morning and he was not given an opportunity to have legal representation. Does then this undermine the rule of law and natural justice?
Now that remains part of the people who had him, who are supposed to tell him that we are going to court, so that he prepares.
The formal charging and remand to Kitalya was a secret that was kept very securely from the defense lawyers, and the state ensured that this man is clandestinely remanded.
While in court, Kakwenza complained about torture, saying he had wounds on the buttocks.
The judicial officer ordered an examination on him and getting a report by the next sitting.
What if the suspect is not comfortable getting the medical examination from Kitalya prison's medical officers? What happens?
If he's not comfortable with the medical team of the prison, he can apply to court and give what he wants, the option he wants.
The award-winning novelist was remanded to Kitalya prison after pleading not guilty to 2 charges of offensive communication. Uganda Prisons Authority have confirmed that Kakwenza is in their custody.
The process of admitting him is on, and therefore subsequently we shall be producing him to court as and of when court wants him.
NTV asked his lawyers if their client will agree to checking by prison's medical team to ascertain his torture claims.
He would prefer, like any other human being, medication of his choice.
So what happens if it is found that Kakwenza was tortured?
The court has various orders it can make. Either they can now order an investigation into who tortured the person for purposes of either compensating him.
It's not clear when Kakwenza will meet his lawyers to start the process of his bail application. Sudil Biaruhanga, NTV.